Recipe for later tonight?
Yeah, a very nice night out there. Get out there and enjoy it. This is the longest day of the year, the summer solstice, and so the sun is setting on the longest day of the year. Hardly a cloud in the sky out there. We're going to see mostly clear skies tonight, but clouds on the increase as we head towards tomorrow morning. A great look at that sunset. So that's about 9:25 here in Fargo. That's just a little bit later on. Right now, still 68 degrees out there. Winds light out of the east and southeast at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere all in the 60s. 66 Langdon and Valley City, 67 degrees down in the Sisseton area, 67 Thief River Falls, 64 over into the Bemidji area. Winds are light. They're going to pick up out of the south and southeast as we head through the day tomorrow. That's going to bring in some warmth. That's going to bring in some moisture, and that may set the stage for some strong storms later on tomorrow. But no strong storms to deal with right now. Again, hardly a cloud in the sky, but we'll start to see more cloudiness move in, especially as we head towards tomorrow morning. That ahead of a storm system will give us not one, but 2 rounds of potential rain as we head through your Wednesday. But right now, no rain to speak of. Across the northern plains, relatively quiet until you get out, well, out towards the west, just west of Rapid City. A few showers, maybe a rumble or two of thunder. And across the national map, some severe storms in Kansas, down in the Texas Panhandle, also in southern portions of New Mexico. And there is Tropical Storm Cindy. The big threat out of Cindy is going to be flooding rains anywhere from the Florida Panhandle all the way to southeast Louisiana, and also overnight tonight as the center moves closer to shore. A risk for tornadoes will increase later on tonight as well. For us, though, we're going to see some mostly clear skies for a while, and then here come the clouds. As we head towards tomorrow morning, increasing clouds, and here comes round 1 of the rain, and it'll slide off towards the east by about 7:30 tomorrow morning. Some raindrops falling here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. And as we head through the rest of the morning and on into the early afternoon hours, this will dissipate and get on out of here. Now, the question is going to be, how much heating do we get? Do the clouds actually clear on out, or do they stick around and hold down the heat? Well, it looks like they're at least going to clear out some, allow us to warm up into the 70s and even some 80s. And then, as a cool front makes its way on through, sparking off some showers and some storms, some of those storms could be strong and perhaps severe because of that. Storm Prediction Center has put much of the area in a marginal risk. Damaging hail, some damaging wind, and maybe an isolated tornado. Here in Fargo, we start off the day in the mid-50s. By lunchtime, though, we're going to warm it on up into the mid-70s, and later on in the day, along with that chance for showers and storms, we're going to warm it on up into the lower 80s. Picture of the day, a gorgeous shot. Thanks to Diane for sending this in. A sunset at Cass Lake. Going to use that as the background to our 7-day forecast. Chance of showers and storms again tomorrow. Some of those could be strong and perhaps severe. Some low 80s, cooler slightly on Thursday with temperatures in the upper 70s. A few more rain showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder on Friday. And right now, the weekend is looking refreshing.
Yes, it is. But tomorrow we'll be sure to keep our eyes on those storms.
Yeah, keep it tuned to the latest forecast, and we'll be here to let you know if anything gets out of hand.
All right. Thank you, Robert.